Now we'll install the Starter Templates plugin, which gives us access to hundreds of professional templates and Elementor, the page builder we're going to use to customize everything. Click Plugins on the left side again. Then click Add Plugin at the top. And then search for Starter Templates in the search bar at the top right. The search will load and you should find this one here, Starter Templates by Brainstorm Force. Click the Install Now button. Then when the button changes, click Activate. When it's activated, the onboarding workflow for Starter Templates will automatically load. Go up to the top right and click the drop-down to change the editor to Elementor. If you don't see Elementor as an option available in this drop-down, let me show you how to activate it. We'll exit back to our dashboard. On the left side, click Settings, and then scroll to the bottom. There should be a menu item for Starter Templates. Make sure the Disable Elementor Page Builder Templates in Starter Templates option is unchecked. Then click Save Changes. To open Starter Templates again, go back to Plugins, and then under Starter Templates, click Get Started. And if Elementor wasn't showing up before, now in the dropdown it should appear for you. Go ahead and select it. Here you can browse through hundreds of professionally designed templates. Take your time to find one that matches your industry or style. You'll be able to customize everything later. As you scroll through, you may notice that some templates have this yellow premium tag. Premium templates cost money. All the other ones that don't have the premium tag are free to use. At the top, you can search for a template using keywords, or you can click into any of these dropdowns and select a category. For my coffee shop, let's see if there's something under the restaurant category. As we scroll through, there's a bunch of premium options. As a jumpstart for a coffee shop, I actually really like this premium template here on the right, but let's see if we can find a free one. Here we go. On the left side, there's a template called Coffee House. Let's click it to open it up and check it out. Here you can scroll through and check out the full design. You can even click different pages to see how they look. If you like the template you've opened, you can begin with some high-level customization on the left side. For example, you can add your site logo. If you don't have one right now, that's just fine. I'll show you how to add one later. You can adjust your font pairing, toggle through to find one you like. I actually like the default setting, so I'll keep that. And then you can toggle through and find a color palette you like. You'll notice that the buttons and even the image overlays change colors. For coffee shop, I want warm colors to represent the feeling coffee gives me. So I'll select this yellow option. Again, you can scroll through and see how those changes look throughout the page. I like how this is looking so far. When you're happy with how everything looks for you, click Continue. Next, you'll need to select the features you want to include in your site. I recommend selecting the SEO and search visibility feature because it can help your website to show up in search engines. At the bottom, you see that there will be several plugins installed automatically for us in order to use this template, including Elementor. After selecting the features you want, go ahead and click Continue. It'll say, OK, just one last step, and ask for a little bit of personal information. But you don't actually have to fill this survey out if you don't want to. Just click the checkbox that says, I understand, let's go, and then click Submit and Build My Website. Starter Templates will go ahead and spin up your website design. And again, this can take a few minutes, so this is a good chance for a coffee break. When it's done, you'll get this fun confetti animation, and then you can click to view your website. That will open a new tab where you can see your new website. Excellent, so our template is now loaded and our website already has structure and content. And you can scroll through to see how it turned out.